Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing Ubuntu and installing Java because Android Studio requires a JDK. First, update packages and install OpenJDK 17. This ensures Gradle and the IDE run predictably. Next, install unzip, wget, and kvm packages so you can extract archives and run the emulator with hardware acceleration. Once done, verify Java version and that your user is in the kvm group. Make those checks now, before downloading Android Studio, to avoid later permission headaches. You download the official Android Studio tar, GZ, and extract it to /opt for system-wide installation. This keeps files tidy and permission-safe. Then run Studio. sh from the bin folder to start the first run wizard. It installs the Android SDK and platform tools. Make sure to use SDK Manager to install required SDK platforms and build tools for your target API levels, and accept licenses with SDK Manager licenses. Once configured, add platform tools to path so a DB and fastboot. You finish by creating an AVD in the AVD Manager and launching the emulator to confirm everything works. Make sure Android SDK root and path include the SDK's platform tools and tools /bin so SDK Manager, a DB and emulator run from any terminal. Finally, run a sample Gradle build to validate IDE integration. If anything goes wrong, focus on this tip. Enable kvm in BIOS. Ensure your user is in the kvm group, and verify /dev/kvm exists. That fixes most emulator acceleration failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.